it's Joy, your travel expert here, and we are in a club level room at Wilderness Lodge. Come on in. And this is the bathroom over here. We've got the double vanity, a shower tub combo with the toilet in there and the sliding door. Then over here with the club level rooms, you have the robes and the little slippers, some hangers, place to put your suitcase. This door also closes to the bathroom, creating like 3 spaces to change. And in here you have your safe and some storage. Coffee maker, ice. Over here is your beverage fridge. And then these are the queen room. These are 2 queen beds. Two chairs. These do come out. And then this is your balcony. All these rooms come with balconies. Something else that's really cool is this light. It's on both sides, so it kind of works as a night light, but if you turn it on this side or off on that side, you can see it over here, but off over here. It's pretty neat. And then these rooms have a little nod to Chippendale over there.